Now, it doesn't mean it's going to get there, but we want to keep an eye on it, right? Because this is in the back of our heads. If it does, this is where it wants to go. Otherwise, we're just now waiting for the next setup. We're waiting for all of these stocks to find their bottom before showing us what it wants to do. So anytime you guys hear me, like right now, you heard me say SPY found support at 501.66, meaning it has finally stopped. See this? These are the brakes. See how I put the brakes on and reversed? So when you hear me call that out, that means that's where it stopped. That's support. Now, what it could do is breathe back, come back for retest, smash through it again. But right now, that is support. NVIDIA held on to 840. NVIDIA held on to 840, meaning that's support. Let me take a look. Yep, 840. We had our pre-market at 838. Our pre-market was at 838. And guess what? Since NVIDIA is moving $50 to $70 a day, wasn't that pretty damn close to support? $2? Yes, it was. And I told you guys, the higher the dollar amount of the stock goes, the more variance you need to give it when we're calling these lines out, the support and resistance, right? If this was Ford, we'd get it to the penny. This is NVIDIA, you're going to be off, right? It's going to have a variance range. SPY, if this can break down this 501.66, lights out again to the downside. Otherwise, if you're scalping it, you're waiting. You're waiting, scalpers. This is your mini channel on SPY. You can see it now. I just drew this up for you. Let me confirm. Yep. There's your channel for SPY. Master scalpers.
Yeah, a minute.
Yep. And we never diddle in the middle. We do not trade here. We only trade here and here, master scalpers. Okay, good. AMD still heavy, can't get out of its own way. If you look at AMD's channel, it's right here. AMD super heavy. Look at AMD. Look at that candle on AMD. Look at that sell-off candle. 143 is where it's got to hold. See it? There it goes. Lights out on AMD. NVIDIA still flat. SPY still in this channel. SPY has not made up its mind yet. Qualcomm is almost breaking its double top. Wait here. Qualcomm's trying to break new high. There goes your AMD lights out. Couldn't hold 143. Boom, gone.
Carvana, first 2 minute green.
Thank you. Now, master scalpers, look at SPY. You see it up here on the upper limit?
Yeah, I already dumped it.
Oh my goodness gracious. My
I
goodness.
should say it stopped out, but I put a tight stop as soon as it was flickering with the top.
Yeah, nice job. So this is your channel still until it shows us otherwise, right?
Yep.
Nice job. There's a lot of money to be made in that small channel.
Oh yeah, I'll park myself there until something happens.
Yep, absolutely. Puts at 502.31, calls at 501.69, waiting for one of them to reverse to make into a new channel to start something new, right? So if these are calls, tight stop right there, and then reverse it to the other side. Otherwise, until this shows you anything different, we're going to look like this. Until it tells you what else to do. Look at it. All it did was touch through. There was not a break and hold. Not a break and hold.
It wants to go.
It wants to go. Yeah.
NVIDIA is pulling.
There
Here we
she
go.
goes.
Here we go.
Bye.
So there we go. Flip that call, sell it out, boom, puts, hammer that pig, rock and roll, baby.
I never got stopped out, so I'm still in it.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah, because you were up here for puts.
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. Yeah, if you had this set up, you were getting paid, right?
Winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah, look at that, partner. Woo! And you know what's crazy? So it's using our 182, and then it made a new one around 183. See it? So this is the channel.